Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Okay, as you know that your exams are there. So today in this video we are going to revise both our two chapters which are going to come in your exam, that is your first unit test. So chapter number 1, let us revise. So missing numbers which is already done in your previous classes also. 3, after 3 the number comes 4, 5, after 5 the number comes 6, 7, then the number comes 8 and 9. So like this you have to complete the missing numbers. Now write the number names of the following numbers. So here number names you have to write. Okay, for example this is 13. So like this you have to write the number names. Then 26. So first you have to write 20 and then 6. 20 and 6. Okay, so it's very easy. When you see the number it's 38. So first you have to write the 30 and then EIGHT 838. Okay, so like this way you have to write the number names. Then what comes after, you know, after means बाद में, नंबर के बाद क्या आता है. For example 54, after 54 the number comes 55. Like that only. What comes before, before means पहले, नंबर के पहले. So before 20 the number comes 19. What comes in between, between बोले तो बीच में, दो नंबर के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है. After 11 the number comes 12 and before 13 the number comes 12. So like this way after, before and between is there. Now we are going to learn a new thing, that is draw beads on the abacus for the given number, also write their place value. So we'll see the second example. Okay, so what is telling, to draw the beads according to the number and write its place value. So 39 is there. So first write the position of the numbers. So you know from the right hand side first number is ones and the second number is tens. Okay, then you can see here 9 is on ones position. So here also on the one spike you are going to draw 9 beads. Okay, now on the 3 is on tens position. So on this 10 spike you are going to draw 3 beads. Okay, now place value of 3. Now you can see here 3 is on tens place. So place value will be 30 and place value of 9 will be 9 because it's on ones place. Like this you have to draw the beads and write the place value. I'll explain you one more. the number which is given, that is 58, and here abacus spikes are there. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to write the position of the numbers. So from the first right hand side, first number will be ones, second number will be tens. You have to remember that from the right hand side, first number will be ones and second number will be tens. So here two spikes are there, ones spike and tens spike. So simply 8 is on ones position, so you're going to draw 8 beat on one spike, and 5 is on tens, so you're going to draw 5 spikes, 5 beads. Now place value of 5 is, as 5 is on tens place, that's why its place value will be 50, and the ones, on the ones position 8 is there, so place value will be 8 only. Like this you have to complete it. Hope you have understood. Now you can see here, fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. Here crocodile mouths are there. You know where you have to open crocodile mouth? Where the number is bigger one. जहाँ पे नंबर बड़ा रहेगा वहाँ पे आपको crocodile का mouth open करना है. And if both the numbers are equal, then you have to put the equal sign. So for example, here 17 and 23 is there. So which number is a bigger? Yes, 23. So the crocodile mouth will be open on the bigger side. Now you can see the third one, 30 and 27 is there. So 30 is bigger. You have to open the crocodile mouth here. Now you can see here G1, 81 and 81 is there. So both numbers are equal. So you can put here equal sign. Now write the numbers in increasing order. Here randomly numbers are given. So increasing order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to larger. You have to arrange the numbers from smaller to larger. So first one you will going to take the smaller one, that is 10, then 11, then 21, then 31 and then 51. Okay, so this we have arranged this from smaller to larger. This is known as increasing order. Now you can see here decreasing order. Decreasing order means what? Increasing order का उल्टा decreasing order. In increasing order we have arranged the numbers from smaller to larger. Here we are going to arrange the numbers larger to smaller. हम decreasing order means what? बड़े से छोटा arrange करेंगे. So let's see which number is larger one. First number will be 31, then 27, then 23, 27, 31, 27, then 23, then 21 and then 19. Here we have arranged the numbers from larger to smaller. This is known as decreasing order. Now you know, add the following. Add means what? Plus करना. So 1 plus 4. 1 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 in your mind, 1 on your hand, 3 plus 1, 4. One more example we'll see. 2 in your mind, 5 on your fingers, 5 plus 2, 7. 4 in your mind, 1 on your finger, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, like this way you have to add and remember. Then you can see here, subtract the following. Subtract means what? Minus karna, cut karna. Now here 3 is there. So 3, remove your 3 fingers. From that, fold your 1 finger. So you will get 3 minus 1, 2. Again remove your 2 fingers. From that, fold 1 finger. You will get the 1. We'll see one more example. 9. So remove your 9 fingers. From that, fold your 3 fingers. So you will get 6. Again remove your 3 fingers. From that, fold your 2 fingers. You will get the 1. Like this you have to subtract and minus it. Now you can see word problem is there. So Riya has 5 pencil and her sister has 10 pencil. Who has more number of pencils? So you know 5 pencils with Riya and her sister has 10 pencils. So what is telling? Who has more number of pencils? More मतलब ज़्यादा, किसके पास ज़्यादा है? So Riya's sister has more number of pencils. Then you can see here Rohan has 14 toffees. Rohit has 11 toffees. How many toffees do they have all together? So all together means what? You have to add both the numbers, both the toffees. But don't forget to write in the sentence. आपको जैसा दिया है वैसे आपको sentence में ही लिखना होगा. Otherwise you will, if you just add, you will get only the half marks. Okay. So Rohan has toffees 14. Rohit has 11, and when you add both you will get the total number of toffees, that is 25. Then same you have to do for 14. Then you can see here Rajni had 18 eggs. She cooked 6 eggs. How many eggs she left? Left बोले तो बचे, और बचेंगे कब? जब हम उसको कट करेंगे तो बचेंगे. ओके, मिलाएंगे तो बचेगा क्या? नहीं. सो लेफ्ट मीन्स कितने? यू हैव टू माइनस इट. सो 18 eggs, शी कुक 6. तो 18 में से 6 egg पक चुके हैं. नाउ हाउ मैनी आर रिमेनिंग? So you have to first write in sentence. Rajni had eggs 18. She cooked eggs 6. And then Rajni left 12 eggs. So remember to make a sentence. Otherwise you will get only the half marks. Then MCQ questions are there. For MCQ questions, in exam as a mental maths you will get, and there will be no options. Okay, so study that. Number name of 29 is, so directly you have to write the number name of 29. Then number that comes before 20. So in exam options will not be there. You have to write by yourself without options. Number that comes before 20 is 19. Which one of the following is in increasing order? Okay. The sum of 15 and 2 is. Sum means what? plus. So 15 plus 2, 70. The difference of 56 and 24 is, 56 और 24 में कितना डिफरेंस है, that you have to write. Chapter number 2, counting in groups. So we have learned previously, that is skip counting. So fill in the missing numbers by counting in twos. Just like 12, एक नंबर मिस करना है, 13, then 14, 15 and then 16, 17 then 18, 19 is skip and 20, 21 is skip and then 20. This is known as counting in twos. Counting in twos means you can add one number to the previous one. Okay, skip in twos means you have to add 2 to the previous number. So 12 plus 2, that is 14, plus 2 16, plus 2 18, plus 2 20, plus 2 20. तो जितने twos रहेंगे तो you have to add to the previous number 2. Then you can see here, write the next 4 numbers by counting in twos. So in the same way, 2 plus 2 4, plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 2 10. अगर twos में है तो आप 2 प्रीवियस नंबर में ऐड करेंगे और you can skip 1 number. ठीक है, 2 methods are there. Okay, for counting in groups. You can add, जो नंबर का काउंटिंग इन टूज दिया है तो यू कैन ऐड 2 to the previous number, or you can skip 1 number and write the next number. For example here, 2, 3 को skip करें 4, 5 को skip करें 6, 7 को skip करें 8, 9 को skip करें 10. तो हमने कितने नंबर skip किया, 1 नंबर. और हम ऐड भी करके लिख सकते हैं, और तब हम ऐड करेंगे तो जितने काउंटिंग इन टूज रहेंगे, थ्रीज रहेंगे, जितने भी रहेंगे उतने आपको ऐड करके नेक्स्ट नंबर लिखना है. नाउ काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज. काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज में क्या करना है, 5. अभी जैसा टूज में हमने 1 स्किप किया, थ्रीज में हम 2 स्किप करेंगे. 5 क्या स्किप किया हमने, 6 और 7. फिर 8 आया, 9 एंड 10. देन द नंबर कम्स 11. वी हैव स्किप 12 एंड 13. देन द नंबर कम्स 14. 15 और 16 स्किप किया तो 17. देन 18 और 19 स्किप किया तो 20. तो थ्रीज का रहेगा, काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज रहा तो 2 नंबर स्किप करना है. और अगर आप एडिंग के मेथड से कर रहे हैं तो उसमें +3 ऐड करना है. 5 + 3, 5 6 7 8, तो आपको आएगा 8. ओके, अगर आप ऐड का मेथड फॉलो करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन डू डैट ऑल्सो, एंड बाय स्कीपिंग ऑल्सो यू कैन कंप्लीट. सो सेम एज इन 5, जैसे हमने 2 और 3 में प्रीवियस नंबर में ऐड किया, यहाँ पे 5 ऐसे 5 है तो हम प्रीवियस नंबर में 5 ऐड करेंगे. सो 4 + 5 विल गेट 9. और स्किप कैसे करेंगे तो आपको 4 नंबर स्किप करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 6 7 एंड 8. ओके, 5 ऐसे है तो 4 नंबर स्किप करेंगे, और 5 एडिशन के मेथड से करना है तो आप प्रीवियस नंबर में ऐड करोगे. Okay. Now complete the series by counting in tens. अभी टेंस, जब टेंस में काउंट कर रहे हैं तो आपको 9 नंबर्स स्किप करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 इज हियर, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. ये हो गए 9 नंबर्स. अगर आप एडिशन में कर रहे हो तो 10 प्लस 10 20 प्लस 10 30 प्लस 10 40 प्लस 10 50 प्लस 10 60 प्लस 10 70. So like this, counting in 2s, 3s, 5 and 10 we have done. Now you can see this picture. So what you have to do, join the dots by counting in fives and complete the picture. आपको fives में ही count करके लिखना है. For example 5 के काउंटिंग से जाएंगे तो आप 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then 35, then 40 and then 45 will be there. Okay. अगर ये आपके बीच के नंबर्स जो है 4, this 8, this 10, 39, 36, अगर आपकी लाइन इसको टच होती है डॉट्स को तो आपके यू विल नॉट गेट द फुल मार्क्स, आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे. सो सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, काउंटिंग इन फाइव्स. सो काउंटिंग इन फाइव्स में ही करना है एंड देन कलर इट. देन द सेम मेज इज देयर बाय काउंटिंग इन टूज. अभी टूज में है तो फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव टू स्टार्ट, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay. So in this way the skip of twos. Then you can see here skip of threes is there. So same 3, 6, 9. Okay. Or same one thing 3, you can read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay. एंड सो ऑन. अभी 3 tens are 30 हुआ तो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, मेज इज गोइंग ऑन. आपको आगे स्किप करना है, 3 से 3 ऐड करना है, 30 प्लस 3 33, then 36, 39. Okay. Like this way you have to reach the rocket by skipping in threes. Then MCQ questions are there. In exam you will not get the options, so read the question properly and write. So hope you have understood. So revise, and you know oral tables are there, 2 to 7 tables are there, 5 marks for tables are there, and I am going to ask dodgingly, means बीच में से कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछेंगे, 2 sevens आ, 6 8s आ, 7 sevens आ, ऐसा आपको बीच में से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे ओरली. ओके. सो प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट and prepare for your exams. Best of luck. Thank you.